Imagine to play golf every day in selected top courses facing the Tyrrhenian Sea. Imagine to play golf every day and meanwhile live unforgettable moments by staying overnight on a dream sailing boat along the Tyrrhenian Sea. Nothing compares to the peaceful feeling of sleeping on board and waking up in a new destination every day, ready for the next golf adventure. Imagine many more activities for you and your partner, visiting historical and natural Sardinian sites, exploring the beauty of the inland countryside, and enjoying the best Italian food and wine. If this is your dream, we'll make it happen. The ultimate golf experience.